The Green Disc is an ecological power tool for your bike chain care. It takes just seconds to prepare your bike for the next trip. The Green Disc is super easy to handle and leak-proof. No oil dripping on the ground, no more dirty hands, no more greasy fingers, and no chain goo on your clothes.
Hello bikers, this is the Green Disc, a revolution in the maintenance of your bicycle chain. So why is it a revolution? Well, with this small disc, your chain will never rust or start to dry out again, and your chain will only get as much oil as it really needs. Gone are the days where half the oil ends up on your hands, on the bike frame, on your clothes, or even goes into the ground. The Green Disc is a new development of our Lubri disc, which we launched last year here on Kickstarter. We have more than 10,000 happy customers who use the Lubri disc, and we're really proud to announce that we recently won the German Design Award for its innovative functionality. The new Green Disc offers 25% more oil volume, and it's way more eco-friendly because it uses less raw materials.
If your chain dries out because of rain or dust, with the Green Disc your bike is ready for use again in a few seconds. Simply hold the Green Disc between your fingers, press it slightly onto your chain and turn the crank backwards. Everything else happens automatically. When the job's done, your hands look like freshly washed and you can put the Green Disc's oil-tight can in your pocket, your bag, or backpack.
With one charge, you can lubricate your chain up to 10 times. Refilling the Green Disc is super easy. You open up the disc and soak the lubricator wheel with oil. Close the disc and it's ready for use again. Once the lubricator wheel is dirty, it's really easy to change. And by using our organic chain lube, you can really help keep the environment clean because everything you see here is biodegradable.
The Green Disc saves oil up to 90%. That's good for you and good for the environment. The Green Disc is smart, small, and always with you, whether in your commuter bag or on a bike tour. Green Disc. Make the world a little greener.
Over the past few years, since our very first Kickstarter campaign, we've done mountains of research on bathrobes. We looked into why people buy them and when most people use them. You see, the problem with most bathrobes is they're either too heavy, causing you to overheat and sweat right after a shower, or they don't fit you quite right. And getting a bulky bathrobe to fully dry is close to impossible. So our mission was clear. Create a high-quality robe that's comfortable year-round and would last you a lifetime without breaking the bank. Introducing the CASAMERA robe, a breathable, ultra-cozy upgrade to leisure wear that won't overheat, feels gloriously soft, and looks smart enough to be seen. The innovative design means the robe is the perfect ratio of snug to loose. Our honeycomb weave not only promotes airflow, but results in guaranteed faster absorption and release of moisture. We added a double-duty hoodie and deep functional pockets to give you the ultimate in wearable comfort. Made purely of high-grade Egyptian cotton that's responsibly grown, picked, and manufactured in one place to reduce our carbon footprint. We're KIS and OECO Tech certified, which means our products contain zero chemicals and are safe for you and the environment. Whether you're optimizing your morning routine, meditating, or lazily leaving your bed, the CASAMERA robe will quickly become your go-to solution to quiet your mind, relax your body, and rejuvenate your spirit. We're ready to launch with manufacturers standing by. Now we just need your help to bring our vision to life. Are you ready for some cozy clarity? Pre-order your CASAMERA robe today.
Introducing CHARGIC 100-watt and 65-watt USB charger, the world's first charger that can simultaneously charge 3 MacBooks. With 3 USB-C and 1 USB-A ports, CHARGIC is the world's smallest 4-port GAN charger. CHARGIC 100-watt is smaller than a cigarette pad, and 65-watt is smaller than AirPods Pro. designed for the most demanding professionals on the go. CHARGIC is the ultimate charging solution to face any challenge and pursue every passion. Whether you're a freelancer, digital artist, or an innovator, it can fully support the charging of laptops, mobile phones, tablets, cameras, and drones, providing energy for your busy lifestyle. CHARGIC 100 Watt has 2 USB-C ports up to 100 watt, 1 USB-C and 1 USB-A port up to 30 watt. CHARGIC 65 Watt has 2 USB-C ports up to 65 watt, 1 USB-C and 1 USB-A port up to 30 watt. It has an innovative AI power management chip, which can intelligently distribute optimal power for charging devices. CHARGIC supports worldwide 100 to 240 volt voltage and comes with various pin converters so that it can be used in virtually any country. It's small and easy to carry. Whether you're in the office, at home, or busy traveling, you can quickly charge all your devices at any time. No matter how many smart devices you have, you only need one CHARGIC from now on. Our experienced team worked hard to create the best mobile charger for busy digital lifestyles, and we know you will be pleased with the result. Thank you for your support.
What is TERMIZI? We are CnetixTech. There are many things to get to 7. Customized with my hood. No plastic, no aluminum, no borosilicate.
Good.
More than a year ago, we had an idea. What if you could create beautiful and engaging videos without expensive gear? That idea became VIMBLE. Attach it to any smartphone to transform shaky footage into smooth and dynamic shots. We designed VIMBLE so that anyone can use it, but with the features that even professionals can appreciate, giving everyone the power to create and express themselves like never before. VIMBLE puts controls at your fingertips that let you change your video's exposure, zoom, focus, and white balance, all without touching your phone, so you can get your shot just right. Take an everyday moment and record it with beautiful cinematic quality. Then edit and share it with just one tap. Live streaming mode makes it easier to record with the world watching. Let VIMBLE be your personal cameraman with face tracking that automatically follows your movement. Take the best photos you've ever shot with your smartphone using VIMBLE's automated panorama, or make epic time lapses effortlessly. We've teamed up with one of the best gimbal manufacturers, Tech, to ensure the highest quality possible. Now we need your support to begin production of VIMBLE and start shipping. Join our campaign to help us get VIMBLE in the hands of creators everywhere.
Hi Kickstarters, my name is Ryan, the founder and CEO of Delta Intelligence Technology. Seeing that an increasing number of people spend more time taking photos and videos with their smartphones, we believe that there are infinite possibilities when gimbals are introduced to support smartphones. However, we believe that the current products in the market haven't fully exploited these possibilities yet. To create our own definition of mobile phones gimbal, we started our own company and hope to bring professional yet affordable solution for smartphone photography to everyone. We received some help, but it takes much more resources to get the initial production started. That's why we're here on Kickstarter, hoping that you can help to bring VIMBLE to everyone.
Shine is reinventing the bathroom, because even though the bathroom hasn't changed in a century, we have. So why do we spend time each week on the dirtiest job in the home, using brushes that just push germs around, while exposing our family and pets to harmful chemicals? And when anything goes wrong, even a simple fix warrants a call to an expensive plumber. What if the toilet could clean itself and tell you how to quickly fix it? Introducing the Shine Bathroom Assistant. Shine installs anywhere near your toilet in minutes. Just attach the Shine sensors to the water line and toilet bowl. Pour in some tap water, place an eco-friendly pod into Shine, and it will automatically clean and deodorize your toilet without chemicals. The secret to Shine's chemical-free cleaner is electrolyzed water. Developed in Japan to clean high bacteria environments around sushi, Shine uses electricity to transform the tap water into electrolyzed water. This supercharged water is as powerful as bleach and 5 times more effective than traditional deodorizer sprays. Best of all, after it cleans your bowl, it turns back into a saline solution that's safe for plumbing and pets, leaving your bowl free of germs, sparkling clean, and smelling great, effortlessly. But when your toilet stops working, or takes forever to fill, the reasons can be unclear. That's why Shine uses an AI called SAM. SAM diagnoses your toilet problems in real time and notifies you with the issue, its cause, and how to fix it. Shine service even delivers free repair kits and video call support to fix the issue. Now you're back in business without a plumber. But to really make your toilet smart, Shine can detect the first sign of a leak or flood. Because household leaks in the US waste up to 1 trillion gallons of water annually. That's the equivalent of leaving your shower running for nearly 1 million years. Shine ensures that the bathroom is ready for you, so that you can be ready for the world. It's time to let your bathroom shine.
Hi, I'm Chris, founder of Shine Bathroom. We're reinventing the bathroom because even though it's where we prepare ourselves for the day ahead, the average bathroom isn't prepared for us. Shine uses automation to fix this by creating a bathroom experience that anticipates our needs, conforms to our wants, and delivers the care we deserve. The Shine team has built and delivered millions of electronic devices across the planet, and now we invite you to join us on our next journey. Together, we'll build the bathroom experience we deserve, one Shine product at a time. Thank you for your support. Alexa, ask Sam to clean the toilet.
Okay, I'm cleaning your toilet.
in your pocket is one of the most revolutionary cameras ever made. But how do you turn amateur footage into a cinematic masterpiece? The answer is movement. Introducing InMotion. It's a fully automatic slider that lets you do Hollywood-style camera moves at the push of a button. It has custom modes for any situation, and it works with all smartphones, GoPros, and mirrorless cameras. It comes with 15-inch rails that can be extended to double the size, yet it easily breaks down to fit in your bag. Using an integrated panning mechanism, it automatically creates a parallax movement as it slides. It's great for product shots, interviews, or anytime you want a cinematic look. Reverse the camera, and the parallax becomes a panning slide, giving you a 36-degree wider viewing angle than regular sliders. For vloggers, InMotion lets you forget about the camera and focus on your content. Using our motion tracking algorithms, face following intelligently keeps you in frame as you move around. And with the live streaming inside the app, building a following is easier than ever before. For photographers, InMotion lets you create motion time lapses right on your phone. Just customize your settings in the app and hit start. The motion unit can also be removed for flawless panoramic shots or panning time lapses. For night shots, time lapses capture more light and maximize your video quality. After the shoot, select one of the many preset looks. Then, via cloud computing, your files will be color graded automatically. For action sports, there's Motion Trigger. Using 2 Bluetooth sensors, you can set up a trigger for subjects that are up to 30 feet away. When activated, InMotion can start recording immediately or give you some lead time for a smoother transition. InMotion was built by filmmakers for filmmakers. You can build a full rig thanks to its 3 1/4-inch mounting points, and it even has a built-in USB fast charging port. In the app, you have full control of the camera and slider to create the exact look you want. From a slow track that reveals a key plot detail, to slow push-ins for dramatic effect, InMotion gives you a cinematic shot every time.
Hi Kickstarter, I am Sławek, and my team and I need your support to bring InMotion to the market. We are a diverse team with backgrounds in software engineering, mechanical design, and manufacturing. But what unites us all is a huge passion for photography. With InMotion, everyone will be able to create Hollywood-styled shots just with their smartphone. So please, back our campaign today and help us bring this dream to reality. Hi guys, I am Sławek and I'm a founder of InMotion. Right now I'll present you the animation, also called step mode, for our slider. So first of all, we start the InMotion app. Then we click connect the slider. As you can see, no slider is found, so we need to turn it on. Boom, it appeared right away. We connect to the slider, and boom. Now we select animation mode. We insert the iPhone to the slider. Now I'll just reduce the number of frames, so it will be easier for you to stay with me till finish of it. Okay, till I finish. Set the exposure, and boom. It calibrated itself, and when we see next, we can just change the frame. Okay, next. So we change the equipment in the frame to make a proper animation. Okay. Right now I need to walk, but in new feature update, we'll just introduce our smart clapper to do it. So we will be not required to walk with it all the time. Okay, now we click next. It moved, it took a picture. So we place it here, move it a bit up. Okay. Next frame. Okay, so as you can see, it took us a while to do it because I had to walk there and here and there. And that's why we introduced the smart clapper. It's so cool because there's a sensor, there's a magnet, and when we clap, it automatically starts and does step motion in a much, much better way. So yeah, that's why it's here. That's why you don't have to walk and waste your time there. And in the next movie, I'll present you how cool the smart clapper is. Thank you. Hi guys, I am Sławek, founder of InMotion. I am going to show you the face following mode. How does it work? We start the InMotion app. Then we go to video mode. We click face following. And as you can see on my front camera, if I am moving the smartphone or I am moving myself, it's detecting me perfectly. So that's how it works. But our motivation behind it was not to use the lower quality front camera, but the higher quality rear camera. And how does it work? When it detects the face, LED light is blinking lightly, so it doesn't interrupt your lighting setup, and it shows you explicitly if it's detecting your face or not. So we have a setup like that prepared here, and you can see that the LED right now is there. I'll just hide my face, and you can see it's not there. I'm opening my face, you can see. I've disappeared, I appeared, and it works, okay? And now if I start walking, it will slowly start following myself. And we are still tweaking the speed of face following detection, but you can see it is following myself. If I go back to the center of the shot, boom, it stopped. If I go once again here, it starts rotating. And you can see that I am going there, going there, going there, and it's perfectly framing me all the time. And yeah, we are just tweaking the speed of the detection, and then it will be just perfect. If I go there, you can see it stopped. And if I hide my face, you can see that the rectangle disappeared. Here again, I'm appearing and I'm detected. So it's a super cool feature that we did for you, so you no longer have to focus on your camera, you can focus on your content. Thank you so much. Hi, I am Sławek, founder of InMotion. I'm going to present you the interview mode. How does it work? Well, first of all, we need to start the InMotion app. Then we select interview mode, connect to the slider, and adjust how smoothly it should go. So let's say we want to have it at 6 out of 10 in terms of speed, and ramp set to 3. Ramp is the speed, how fast the slider is accelerating and deaccelerating. And we are ready. We just put the slider to the smartphone to the slider and click ready. Okay, and as you can see, it's going smoothly to the center position. It will wait there for some time. It's determined by the ramp. And then after some time, it will very smoothly go to the ending position. That way, it gives us a perfect master shot for interview. If we would set a bigger ramp, then it would very smoothly go there, wait, and so on. Hi guys, I am Sławek and I'm a founder of InMotion. I would like to present you an accessory for our slider, which is Motion Trigger. It is a set of 2 IR sensors connected with Bluetooth technology to the slider, and then there's invisible beam. When it's crossed, then slider starts recording automatically. We still have cables here, but they're already finished and they're waiting for mass production. So I just need to turn them on. Okay. Now close them to my microphone so you can hear a clicking noise. Just 1 second. Okay. Can you hear guys the clicking? When it's clicking, it means that the beam is there and we cross it. You can hear that it's turning on and initiating the slider. Okay, so we'll just put them there. Okay. Okay, and now we should just connect them to slider, and we are ready to go. So, first of all, turn on the slider, then turn on the InMotion app, then connect to the slider. Okay, after that we go to Motion Trigger, in Settings, Connect, And then we can set the recording length, so automatically the motion trigger can stop recording after it was triggered, and we can also set a trigger delay. It's very important, for example, when we put or place the motion triggers far away from our recording spot, then can give us some lead time so we can write or roll into the scene without any issues. Okay, so right now we are waiting for the slider to be triggered by motion triggers. Okay, so just cross the fingers. I'm going to do a 180 on the BMX. As Mama told me always, safety first, so I'm going to use my helmet. Okay, and let's roll. Okay, and motion triggered the slider, so great success. Hi guys, I am Sławek and I'm a founder of INMOTION, but let's forget about it for this video. Let's imagine that I'm a daily vlogger and I'm going to shoot a new review of MacBook Pro 15 inches 2016. So once again, 15 inches and 2016. So what do I need to do in order to start? First of all, turn on my camera. So I'm going there, turning on my camera in my smartphone. And now I am ready to start. Hi guys, I am Daily Vlogger, vlog number 123, and today I'm going to review new MacBook Pro 17. Shoot, I wanted to say 15, yeah? I've made a mistake. What I need to do to reiterate? Well, stand up, get back to my smartphone, turn it off, turn it on, and once again. Hi guys. This is Daily Vlogger, vlog number 123, and today I'm going to review new MacBook Air. I wanted to say MacBook Pro, yeah? Once again, a mistake. It can happen to all of us every day. So I get exhausted, I need to go move on there, I waste footage, I waste memory, and I waste my time, which is the most precious thing. So what do? Take my smartphone and mount it in an INMOTION slider. To do so, I just need to turn it on, start the INMOTION app, connect the slider, boom, connected right away. Now go to settings, connect a motion trigger. In this case, motion trigger is a clapper. Connected and connected. Now I go to video mode. I set the exposure time like I want. I set the ISO how I want to have the infinite white background. I mount the smartphone, and I'm ready to film. Guys, this is big. Introducing Smart Clapper. This is still, let's say, a prototype, so it has some wires and electronics, but the final version will be just perfect. What do? Just this. Hi, this is Daily Vlogger, vlog number 123. Today I'm going to review new MacBook Pro 2015. Thank you so much for attention. That's simple. Clap, starts recording. Clap once more, it stops. It's that simple, zero wasted footage, and amazing stuff for you guys. Thank you. Hi, I am Sławek, and I'm a founder of INMOTION, and I would like to present you the time-lapse mode. So, first of all, we go to INMOTION app, then we select the time-lapse mode and connect the slider. Okay, slider was recognized, and we are connected. Now we can go to advanced and set number of frames of our time-lapse. Let's go for 250. Okay, and then let's set up the interval between them. So let's go for 2 seconds. We can also adjust the ISO for the time-lapse, for example. Okay, and then the exposure time to have a decent time-lapse, temperature, and ramp. Ramp is how big the displays, how linear the displacements between the pictures are. For now, just let's leave it at 1. Okay, now we can mount the smartphone on the slider and hit start. It will calibrate itself and start taking pictures. You can see 0. Okay, calibrate 1. And now it's moving and going to 2. And it will start the time lapse. I'm going to fast forward it because it will take us roughly around 8 minutes. And I'm going to clean up all this mess. Thank you and see you at the end of the time lapse. Okay. The time lapse took longer than I expected because I've cleaned this stuff much sooner than I thought it would take me. So that's why I'm trying to impress you guys with my balancing skills on the BMX bike. But yeah, that's how time lapse works. And thank you so much for watching this video, and please back us on Kickstarter. Thank you.
Remember the old days when you saw a stunning view of the ocean and wondered, what would that look like from underwater? Now you have NAVATICS MITO to see it for yourself. Before NAVATICS MITO, if you wanted to record images underwater, you needed a camera, a waterproof housing, and a heap of diving equipment to get into the water. But with NAVATICS MITO, underwater scenes reveal themselves at a click of a button. So here comes NAVATICS MITO, an underwater ROV that provides professional-level, stabilized 4K images. And all these crystal clear videos can be achieved without you even getting wet.
To be able to show you these beautiful scenes underwater, NAVATICS team has been working really hard.
We first started to make ROV 5 years ago as our college project. Together with a team of passionate and talented engineers, we founded NAVATICS. And after 2 years of research and development, our first ROV, NAVATICS MITO, is ready for production.
NAVATICS MITO has the most advanced stabilization system, a crystal clear 4K camera, 4 specially designed powerful thrusters, and quick swappable batteries.
Stability is an essential component of achieving excellent underwater imaging. I'm really impressed to see how stable MITO is underwater.
MITO has helped improve my teaching experiences a lot. I can use it to monitor my students better and provide live feedback to them.
Using the latest stabilization algorithm, NAVATICS MITO will maintain stability for incredibly smooth footage, even in strong current or surge. And if for any reason it slips out of position, NAVATICS MITO will instantly correct itself. When employing the fully adjustable tilt lock, it can hold its tilting position effortlessly whilst moving freely in the water. The onboard camera can capture the mysterious beauty beneath the waves, recording it in either HD or 4K, and can also take 8-megapixel still photos. You will be in complete control of NAVATICS MITO as you discover the underwater world. Explore up to 40 meters from the surface through the easy-to-use wireless control, which has a 500-meter range to its waterproof communication buoy. And you can experience the view in real time through the NAVATICS app on your smartphone. At less than 15 inches and weighing less than 7 pounds, NAVATICS MITO fits comfortably in your beach bag or the average backpack, so you can capture that amazing underwater view from anywhere you travel. NAVATICS MITO's 80 WH LiPo battery offers up to a whole 4 hours of running time and can be swapped with spare batteries easily in just seconds. Use NAVATICS MITO's built-in color correction technology so you always get bright and colorful underwater images.
We need your help to bring our dream alive. The next technological hit is on your hand.
I've always wanted a camera that can follow me down all the way and still be able to keep up with a freediver at a speed more than a meter per second and up, so film the whole dive, right, without much risk for other safety divers or extra equipment. MITO travels pretty fast in the water, so when I dive with a monofin, I go sometimes a meter per second or a meter and 50 per second. So usually really hard for a cameraman to hold a camera and keep up with me while keeping the camera steady. So it's now achievable with an instrument like this. Having such an equipment, I can use it to record my dives on days even when I only have non-diving friends with me, so they can do it easily without getting wet. It's easy to carry around, easy to set up and use. They can also see whether or not I'm doing something dangerous on the water, that they can help to mitigate risks if needed. So I use it to record my students' performances in freediving classes. It's super easy to set up, quick to maneuver, and I can film from different angles. So I can play the video back to my students and help them improve their techniques in very specific ways. Give them challenges on how to move the water more efficiently, how to keep better balance, stay more streamlined, neutral buoyancy, so that they can move further with just one breath. So it's been great having it around my classes. So for example, if the water is murky and the visibility isn't that great, so my teaching assistant cannot see what students are doing when they dive down. So with MITO, and if the equipment follows student all the way down in close distance, then we as instructors, not only can we see the student underwater, we can also monitor them from above the water. I train pretty much all year round. So when I do trainings, I often test between different techniques, different equipment. Sometimes I change my training method a little bit. And often I find it pretty hard for me as an athlete to feel slight change in my maneuver. If there is a small change in how I use my arm or hand, I cannot feel it through the water. So it's great to have MITO film me from different positions so that afterwards I can analyze all the videos I get from MITO and then compare and then help me decide on which is best method. So I can use it to make little improvements that builds up step by step in order to make the biggest dive to achieve my record. MITO is very, very easy to carry around, bring it to the dive site, easy to operate, so I can have anybody, even just a traveler or a beach visitor, to help me film my dive, so I can have as much footage as I wanted, and it goes deep, so it can go all the way down to me, with me. MITO can dive with me all the way down, and most of my training dives are within the first 50 meters of water. So I can use it pretty much on most of my training days. And the second point is the MITO is really steady in the water. So the film is really clear and it captures very small details. Okay, so the video is very steady, and it can film the same dive on different days and provide very consistent footage so that I can use it to analyze my performances.
Cut!
Cut!
We need to be precise, or we'll miss the moments within the choreography. What can we do different to make this work?
We need to rethink how we're going to shoot all these action scenes. Hold on. See that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Okay. This might work. Okay, places everyone?
Scene 14, take 10.
Wow, fantastic.
All right.
Love it.